In the heart of the Yucatan Peninsula, where the dense jungle met the azure sky, lay the ancient city of Chichen Itza. This sprawling metropolis, a testament to the ingenuity and reverence of the Mayan civilization, was a sight to behold. The city, a labyrinth of stone structures, was home to the enigmatic Pyramid of Kukulcan, a structure that continues to baffle historians and archaeologists alike. The year was 800 AD, and the city was thriving. The Mayans, a people deeply connected to the natural world, had built their city around the sacred cenote, a sinkhole filled with fresh water. The Pyramid of Kukulcan, the most prominent structure in the city, stood tall and proud, a monument to their god, Kukulcan, the Feathered Serpent. However, the construction of this grand pyramid was no simple task. The Mayans, without the aid of modern machinery, had to carve the pyramid out of the solid limestone bedrock. The process was painstaking, requiring the labor of thousands of workers over several generations. The pyramid, known as El Castillo, was a marvel of architectural engineering. Its four sides were adorned with intricate carvings of serpents, and its corners aligned perfectly with the cardinal directions. But the most fascinating aspect of the pyramid was its design, which allowed the sun to cast a shadow that resembled a serpent slithering down the steps during the spring and autumn equinoxes. The Mayans believed that this was a sign of Kukulcan's presence, a divine intervention that marked the changing of the seasons. The pyramid was not just a monument, it was a celestial clock, a testament to the Mayans' understanding of the cosmos. The construction of the Pyramid of Kukulcan was a testament to the Mayans' resilience and determination. Despite the challenges they faced, they persevered, driven by their faith and their desire to honor their gods. The pyramid stood as a beacon of their culture, a symbol of their achievements, and a mystery that continues to captivate us to this day. The city of Chichen Itza was eventually abandoned, its inhabitants moving on to other cities. The jungle reclaimed the once bustling metropolis, and the Pyramid of Kukulcan stood alone, a silent sentinel of the past. But the legacy of the Mayans lived on, their story echoing through the annals of history, a testament to a civilization that was as complex and mysterious as the pyramid they built. Today, the Pyramid of Kukulcan stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a reminder of the Mayans' ingenuity and their deep connection to the natural world. The mystery of how they built this magnificent structure continues to intrigue scholars, but one thing is certain: the Pyramid of Kukulcan is more than just a pyramid, it is a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Mayan civilization.